Okay, so now let's put this all together. We've been walking through some of the basic functionality in Thanks.io, mailing list creation, image, message creation. And the best way to put this all together for you is to click on Step-by-Step Wizard at the top left. And you'll see now that you have this menu where you can start to grab the components you've built. So I can pick, say, a 4x6 postcard. I can grab one of my images here, or I can, keep in mind, you can also do it on the fly. You could design on the fly, upload on the fly. It's just best if you've built this stuff already. I'll click continue. I'll grab one of my message templates right here. It'll pop it all on there for me. Very quick, very easy. I'll click continue, and I'll now just choose an existing mailing list. Boom, like that. I'll click continue, and now just like that, I can get a quick mailing out in the mail because I've got all my components built there using the quick send functionality, the step-by-step wizard in Thanks.io. Keep in mind also on the main dashboard page, you can kind of pick all these different components from the drop-down. And of course, when you're using our integration points, the API, Zapier, any of these other integration points, you're always going to be using a mailing list, a message template, or an image template, these different components in order to send. So this will conclude your quick tour of the Thanks.io system, the basic functionality. Hopefully by now you kind of understand how the system works. And again, as always, if you need any help at all, just chat us up or email support@thanks.io.